Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your laptop supports virtualization. This makes Android run smoothly. Once done, download the Android x86 ISO or the recommended emulator image. Make sure you have Rufus or Baelna Etcher ready to write the ISO to a USB and use an 8+ GB flash drive. You're doing this because a bootable USB gives you a full Android environment without altering your main OS. Now create the bootable media and reboot into your BIOS to boot from USB. You will now boot the USB and decide, test in live mode to verify drivers or choose install for a permanent setup. If installing, create an X4 partition and optionally a 2 GB swap. This gives Android stable storage and memory buffering. Follow prompts to install Grub so the laptop can boot Android. Pick your locale and keyboard settings as you go. Make sure to format only the target partition once Grub and files are written. Reboot to confirm Android loads properly. You finish by completing the Android first run. Connect Wi-Fi, sign into your Google account, and install apps through Play Store or APKs. If you used a VM like VirtualBox or VMware, add guest editions or VMware tools for improved graphics and shared folders. This boosts performance and input responsiveness. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Verify BIOS boot order, confirm virtualization is enabled, or recreate the USB stick. These quick checks resolve most boot or.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.